When it comes to nourishing a newborn, breast milk is liquid gold. And now RTV6 has a call to action tonight to help mothers and their babies in the NICU out of hospitals across the state. As our Nicole Griffin found out, the milk bank on the northeast side, which provides donor milk for infants, is critically low on donations.
Right now, the need for pasteurized donor human milk is critical. You can see right here at the milk bank, very empty shelves here in their freezer. Now happy and healthy, 3-year-old Ambrose Scott loves playing with his toy cars. When he was born, he spent time in the NICU due to respiratory distress, causing him to receive breathing support.
I think anytime a mom's baby is in the NICU, it's such a scary position to be in, and all the plans that you had for your child are altered right away.
One of the plans Emily Scott had was to breastfeed Ambrose through the first year of his life.
When I realized that he was going to be too sick to breastfeed right away, and we needed to provide extra nutrition to him while he was on the machines to help him with the breathing, I asked the hospital to give him donor milk.
The milk bank provides donor milk to hospitals. It comes from previously pumped frozen breast milk donated from screened and approved donor moms.
Once we receive that milk, we pasteurize it, we test it to make sure that it's a safe product for babies to receive, and then we distribute it to hospital NICUs. Plain and simple, the demand exceeds the supply right now.
It's so important for moms to realize that if they have extra breast milk, they can give that gift to other families who are struggling with their newborn's health.
They accept milk stored in a regular freezer up to 6 months or in a deep freeze up to 9 months. They are looking for healthy mothers who are willing to donate at least 100 ounces of milk within the first 2 years of delivering their baby. Nicole Griffin, RTV6.
Thank you, Nicole. And the Milk Bank is holding its very first ever milk donor drive in Indianapolis on January 24th. It is taking place at the Milk Bank on East 62nd Street from 3 p.m. to 7 p.m. A second drive will be held on February 4th at Community Hospital South, also from 3 to 7. You can also drop donations off at the bank anytime during business hours or a Milk Depot location across the state.